Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we have a special video for you guys, just because it can save you a lot of money on any phone that you decide to get. Also, what's cool about this promotion is that, it's good for everybody, new customers, existing customers, or even porting customers. It's a fair game for everybody. So let's get into it, guys. If you go to boostmobile.com right now, you slide down to the side. As you can see, here it is, guys. I know you guys love when I make these videos for you guys, because you can really save a lot of money on some of these new Android phones. So currently, Boost Mobile always does these promotions around holidays or even seasonal discounts. So right now, of course, with fall coming up, it says fall Android sale, extra 20% off new Androids. So use code fall 2019. So it's going to be the promo code I use. Like I said, this is only through boostmobile.com, so you cannot go to a store and redeem this. But if we go to shop phones, another cool thing is it does tell you when this offer will end. It ends in about 2 days of the making of this video. So September 30th, 2019. So let's go to shop phones, and I'll tell you which phones I would suggest you pick up with this discount. So speaking about discounts, guys, let me talk to you guys about our supporter that really does help with this channel, and thanks to you guys helping it out too. And with them, they can help you actually save some money with this. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more and get exclusive offers. All that will be in the description below, guys. When you make your first purchase, when you use the link and actually download it and install in your Google Chrome browser, and you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission, and that helps the channel out, so I can bring more phones and content to you guys. So check that out. And I'll show you how easy it is to use in a little bit. But so now, once we get down here, guys, like I said, you're saving 20% off any Android new phone. So it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're an existing customer, new customer, or anything like that, because these promotions usually cater to porting customers or new customers. But with this one, special discounts, it's for everybody. That's what's cool. So the Samsung Galaxy A10e is a very good phone, guys. You can pick it up for $100. It does retail for $140. It's $40 off right now, and you can save an additional 20%. That's an extra $20 off this phone. So technically, you can save an extra $60 off the original price, which is a very good price for this phone. For the A10e, actually have an unboxing, gaming review, and all that stuff. I will have all these phones in the description below if I made a playlist, so you can catch up and all that stuff. So the A10e, very good phone, guys. I recommend it. It's good for gaming, just overall big screen, teardrop notch selfie camera, so it's very cool. The Moto E6 is another phone I just finished doing a couple videos on. It's for $80 to post an extra 20% off. I mean, honestly, I would recommend the A10e. It's a lot better phone. The Motorola was just I think it's underperformed. It only had 16 gigs of internal storage, so for that price, I would recommend get like the A10e or the A20 that we're going to be talking about in a little bit. So here's, speaking about the A20, here it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy A20, definitely one of the best phones for the price on Boost Mobile. So as you can see, it costs about $200. You can get an extra 20% off, which will save you $40 off the price of this. So for that price point, it's definitely a go. Very big screen, good battery life, fast charging. Let's just click on it so we can see some of what I'm telling you about. Highly rated, almost 5 stars. As you can see, a 6.4-inch screen, so if you like watching videos or playing games on it, it's definitely worth it. 13 megapixel camera. This one, I believe, does have dual cameras. Talk time up to 31 hours. Storage 32 gigs, and of course you get Android 9.0. So very nice. As you can see, yep, this one does have dual cameras on the back, fingerprint sensor on the back as well. So very nice for the price point, guys. You cannot beat that. So like I said, currently right now, if you use the promo code I showed you, that's how you can save some money. I saved $40 on this by using Honey, so definitely helps. Coolpad Legacy, another good phone, big battery. The only thing I would say is it's 3 out of 5 star rating, but my personal one, I don't have any issues. I watch it a lot of YouTube, Netflix, Hulu on it. Really big battery life. It's pretty hard to drain this battery on this phone, and of course you get 1080p display on it versus like the Samsung's, you only get a 720. So if you like watching a lot of YouTube or Netflix or anything like that, streaming on it, it's definitely a go with a Cool Pal Legacy. Same thing, you will save 20% off on that, and you get $20 off, which is very nice. And then, of course, there's a Stylo brand. It's very nice if you're looking for a phone that has a stylus pen. The Stylo 5 or the Stylo 4 Plus is definitely a one to go with. Like I said, you can definitely get 20% off of those as well. And then, of course, like Motorola's, then we get to the more expensive Samsung series. The S9 for $600, I think, so little. And it's about that price point, really, but you'd save 20% off of that, which is pretty good savings. It's over $100. Samsung S8, same thing. $500, you get 20% off that. The A6 is another good Samsung phone, but for that price, I recommend probably the A20, and then hopefully the A50 comes out. And then Motorola's and stuff. But those are the main phones I recommend, like I said. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Which phone are you thinking about getting with this discount? Like I said, use Honey. It's totally free. We'll save you some money. It will definitely give you that 20% off promo code. It'll find you the best promo codes and apply it to you when you're on the when you're at checkout. Definitely does help. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out Honey, description below. Check out NetBuddy, description below. And also hit that little subscribe notification bell as well, and the join button now. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.